Today we're going to fix the wipers on this 2004 Grand Am. Out from under there. Well, here's the problem. That's disconnected from here. It's just kind of flopping around. This whole wiper transmission assembly is over $100. I got this replacement package. First I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I'll use a little bit of disc brake caliper lube. Let's pop this cap in the arm right here. A little bit of brake caliper lube around the edges of the plastic here. I have a 20mm socket on the bottom, or a 14mm socket on the top. Let's see if I can squeeze these together. Did it. Squeeze this onto here. I think that worked. Now the wiper arm on the other side, this cap is broken off halfway around, so we're going to pop the old one out and put a new one in. Oh, that one popped off. That one needs a new one too on the other end. Got a little bit of caliper lube around the edges of this so that I can put it in. I think God gave us two hands so that we'd have to ask for help. That's like almost in, not quite all the way in. Let's put a little bit of brake caliper lube on there. We can squish this on here. Well, that's on there. Now for this next one over here. So that came out super easy. So this kit came with 3 of these buttons and 1 of these. I believe it goes in the middle section, right under this section here, right in there. That one seems okay though. Put a little caliper lube. Oh. That one didn't go in quite right. That one actually broke going in. Well, shoot. Well, good thing I have another pack of these on the way. Why did that break going in? That is so weird. I'm thinking maybe this plastic piece is not the same as the replacement plastic piece. So let's pull this out of here and see if it fits better without that piece. I think so, yeah. Back to the first one we did. Let's see if we can get that other piece of plastic out of there, if that'll make a difference for this. I think this other piece of plastic down here does not belong with the new replacement ones. So let's pull it out. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, if I remember right, it's the driver's side that had that one tab break out. Let's fix this one that broke during installation. That's one way to get it out. Just bust it out. The other box came, so we'll grease on the edge of this to allow it to install easier. Probably a little bit around the edge of this too. If this one breaks during installation, then I'll have to change something. Alright, no broken pieces. Add a little bit of lube in there. There we go. Let's install this in the car. Slide under that rubber piece at the bottom. I just